Okay, good morning again, people. This morning, or good afternoon, whatever the case may be. Anyway, welcome to Tradespeople's Tips. We are unboxing. Right, this is our packaging, right? I've opened it yesterday just to have a look, and I was so fascinated by it, I decided to make the video. So, if I open that, open that, open that, and I just get my finger in the corner there, lift that polystyrene cover up. There we have it. Ta-da! Looking very nice indeed. So this is a faucet glass bathroom tap. Alright, now, because I'm doing this with one hand, it's going to be a bit fidgety in some cases. Alright, there, tip up, tip down, turn left, turn right. That's how it works. The movement up and down is not a lot, as you can see. So, how much water will come out of that is yet to see. It's, as it says, chrome. Looks very nice. Behind here is where you get all your connections for your hot and cold water. Now, we have two pipes here. And they both looks just like your ordinary pipes. So, I don't know which is which. I'm just assuming now that anyone can be used for anything, and where you connect the other end is what determines which one is hot or cold. So I would assume, for example, that's our tap there, yeah? So if we turn it that way, it's a hot water, and if we turn it that way, it's the cold water. So what we've got to do now, we've got to find out which of these works. Which of these, common sense kind of tell you it's the one on the side where it's facing. So let me see what we have here. I could just rest that down there. And our bag, I'm not going to take it right out if I can help it. I'm just going to pierce a hole in the bag, which looks like it's got a hole in there already. Alright, now give me 1 second. Okay, I'm back, and there you are. Two pipes. Ends looks exactly the same. So I'm assuming one's left, one's right. So if I didn't want to unpack it completely, but it might make it easier for me to demonstrate what I'm trying to do. Now there's the length of the pipe. This goes to your bottom end under your sink. I will show you that later. And this end goes, so that's one end, that's the other end. This end should screw inside there. So what you would do, because I'm doing this with one and I got to try and balance the thing, yeah, is you screw your pipe in just like what I'm doing there. See, it catches fairly easy. There's my hand, there's the pipe. You just screw it in. And you can see it's got a washer. Let me come out a bit too close. There's the washers, yeah? So one goes in, well, it's a double seal. However it works, it stops the water coming back on you. So you just tighten that in, yeah? On the end here, you can see the shape, it's as a nut. So you need to get a spanner, pliers, whatever on there, and make sure that is locked in so you're not going to get a leak. Anyway, that's how you do that part. Let's take it back out again. Right, now that's back out. Inside here we have another little bag. In this little bag we have a little bag of tricks. Now these would come on thing. Woulda, shoulda, coulda, yeah? These screw inside here, I think. Another assumption thing. Alright, let me get my hands holding this thing properly. These screw inside here. I'm gonna just do it that way because it's easier. No, it's not. Let's go for it again. Right, we have one screw in there, and we have the next one screw in there. Now you got to get these to a length that is going to hold your tap. These two looks like they go on before that. All right, so you have a number of washers here. Looking at it, I would say that one goes on. See the little lip on it? Little lip on there? I would assume that goes on there, like that, where the lip sits in. Right, once that's in, this I'm again gonna assume goes to the top of your under your sink. This is a seal, it's a washer basically. So that will go to the top of your sink, and then you put this down, and underneath this one will go on like that sort of thing. So you need to get this on there. Let me just do this. Right, so that's how that goes. That goes on the top of the sink, that goes under the sink. And then this one now applies the pressure to that one. Once it's all under the sink, then you tighten your nut up. Yeah, but what I would suggest is, first thing, get this in position, yeah? Next thing, get your pipe connected. Let me just try and do this again with one hand. May not be as successful as the last time. Sure. My that is too good. Okay, there it is. So, we've got this connected. Drop this down through the holes where you on your sink where this is gonna go. Put your seal on it. Then I'm gonna do this thing properly if it kills me. Right. Leave the rest of it as it is connected. This screw, let's see how far down this screw will go. Right, that's going quite a way down. Now that's tight, yeah? So that's tight. If it does appear to be too short, you can unscrew it, because as it tightens, it will pull it tight. So anyway, let's work on it being tight, yeah? So we've got that done. We've got our hose on. So what we've got to do now is drop this through our sink till it gets to this stage. Plonking on your sink now. So now that's what you've got, yeah? Underneath your sink, this is what you got. Right, so the first thing you do, before you do all that, make sure this one doesn't fall off. Alright, so we put that back there. We plunk that in the sink with both pipes connected and tight, yeah? Put that in the sink, in the basin, basin, whichever. Then, from underneath your sink, you put this one on just like that, yeah? Once you put that on, then you put this one on. It may not be as easy as I'm showing you now. And then you catch your nuts. And you tighten it down, and that's how easy it is. So the only difficulty you may have is once you get it in the sink and trying to get these from on the side, just like that, yeah? But anyway, I'm gonna unpack this lot, undo all this lot, unpack it back. So that concludes our unboxing of our faucet chrome glass bathroom tap. Yeah, so I'm gonna pack this lot back up now that you've seen what it is and how to put it together, and hopefully it will all pan out for you. Okay, till next time on Tradespeople's Tips, take care of yourself, take care of each other, and please stop robbing each other. Okay? Fair price for a fair job. Later, people. Okay, just before I forgot to go, just before I go, I forgot to mention, there you go, user's instruction. Yeah, now on this instruction it will show you various different types of taps and fittings and how to fit them. All right, so it is pretty useful. So it covers whatever tap you may have. So that's it. And again, take care. Let me put that back on there. Get that back there. That there, and that just there. Next thing we'll be doing is fitting this, and we will show you just how we do that. So in the meantime, as I said before, see, left the instruction out. Catch you later.